Hi guys, welcome back to Fun with Java. In this video, we are going to learn about repetition. First of all, when do we need to use a repetition? We use a repetition whenever we need to repeat our code for several times. In Java, there are three types of loop statement: while loop, do while loop, and for loop. There are also two additional control features which are break and also continue. We will go through them one by one later. First, let's go to the while loop. Let's say if I want to print a string welcome to fun with Java for 3 times. In what way I can achieve this? Well, I can write the statement system.out.println and then in the bracket welcome to fun with Java for 3 times. It's true, but this way is time consuming. Try to imagine if I need to print out this statement for 100 times. It's tedious to write out system.out.println welcome to fun with Java for 100 times. So we can use while loop instead. First, we initialize a string a as welcome to fun with Java and a variable counter as 0. Then we type while, and inside the bracket is a loop continuation condition. It will stop the loop if the condition is false. In this case, the loop will stop if counter is equal to 3. Then we have our statements that are needed to be repeated. The loop body. Let's see how it works. First, our counter is equal to 0. Then you will check if 0 is less than 3. The answer is true. Then it proceeds to the next line, system.out.println a, where a is our string. So it will print out welcome to fun with Java. The next line is counter plus plus. What does it mean? Basically, counter plus plus means counter equals to counter plus 1. So now our counter is equal to 1 because at first our counter is 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Since this is a repetition, it goes back to this line. Check again if 1 is less than 3. True. Then it prints again the string welcome to fun with Java and increase counter by 1. Now our counter is equal to 2. Again it checks if 2 is less than 3. Yes. Print another welcome to fun with Java and add 1 to the counter to become 3. Then it checks if 3 is less than 3. No. Then the loop is stopped. It will go to the statement after the loop, but in this case, we don't have another statement. So our program stops here. Alright, let's see another example. If I have a value 3 and I want to increase it by 1 for 5 times, I can use a while loop to achieve this. First, assign a value 3 and a counter 0. Since I want to continue adding my value by 1 for 5 times, the loop continuation condition should be counter less than 5. Curly braces, inside the curly braces, our loop body. What should be our loop body? Right, value plus equals 1. Okay, what does this mean? Value plus equals 1 means value equals to value plus 1. Alright, and don't forget about the counter plus plus. Without this, you have runtime error. That means the loop won't stop because your counter is always equal to 0. Alright, outside the loop, we have to print out our value. Let's see. The output is 8. Right, let's proceed to do while loop. The difference between while loop and do while loop is while loop checks the condition first before executing the loop body, whereas do while loop checks the condition after executing the loop body. You'll be more clear after we go through the code. Besides using while loop, I can also use do while loop to print a string welcome to fun with Java for 3 times. Similar to while loop, we assign a string A as welcome to fun with Java and the counter as 0. Then type do, followed by curly braces. Inside the curly braces is our loop body. In this case, will be system.print line A, which is our string and counter plus plus. Then outside the curly braces is a loop continuation condition. That is while counter less than 3. Okay, please take note that in do while loop, we have to type a semicolon after the condition, but in while loop, it's not needed. Alright, let's go to the code. At first, our counter is 0. Then it goes to the loop system.print line A. So it will print out welcome to fun with Java and increase the counter by 1. Then it checks if 1 is less than 3. Yes, so it will repeat the loop body. Print again the string welcome to fun with Java and add 1 to the counter to become 2. Check if 2 is less than 3. Yes, print again welcome to fun with Java and add 1 to the counter, and now our counter is equal to 3. Is 3 less than 3? No, so it stops the loop. Alright, let's have another example. Alright, let's use back the same example using do while loop. It's simple, we just have to modify a little bit in this code. First we copy this first. Here we write do, and outside the curly braces, the condition, loop continuation condition. Don't forget about the semicolon. Let's run 8. Alright, and let's have another one. I will now show you the difference between while loop and do while loop. Right? What will be the output if I change the condition here to counter less than 0? Think about it. Alright, let's run. The output is 4. We'll add 1 to the value. If while counter less than 0. What about this? Let's see. The output is 3. Why? As I mentioned earlier, the do while loop will execute the loop body first, then only it checks the condition. Whereas for while loop, it will check the condition first, then only it execute the loop body. Okay, that's the difference between while loop and do while loop. Alright, we have another loop statement which is for loop. Using for loop will make your code shorter. We write set, we assign A as a string welcome to fun with Java. And for inside the for statement, there are 3 information. What is that? First is the initial action. Next one is the loop continuation condition. And the last one is the action after each iteration. And we separate each of them by semicolon. Alright? Inside the curly braces is same our loop body. Let's see this code. First, our counter is 0. Right? You check if 0 is less than 3. True. So it print welcome to fun with Java. Alright. Then it goes to counter plus plus. Increase counter by 1 and check if the condition is true. Is 1 less than 3? Yes. So it will print another welcome to fun with Java. And again, add 1 to the counter. Now our counter is 2. Is 2 less than 3? Yes. Print another welcome to fun with Java. And then you increase counter by 1. Now our counter is 3. Is 3 less than 3? No. So our program stop here. Alright. Let's see another example. Okay, using the same example but using for loop. You can modify a little bit. Okay, let me comment this out first. No, the whole thing. Alright, wait, rest of the whole thing. First, we have for integer, we can assign anything, any name. I will use I equals to 0. I less than 5. And I plus plus. Before that, we have to assign a value in value equals to 3. Curly braces, value plus minus plus equals to 1. Alright, outside the bracket, we will print value. Let's see what's the output. 8. Alright. Okay. We have learned all the loop statement. And now we proceed to the additional control features, which is break and continue. The keyword break breaks out of a loop and continue breaks out of an iteration. Let's see the code. By right, we should print out welcome to fun with Java for 6 times, since the condition is counter less than 6, but it's not the case. When counter is 0, it prints out welcome to fun with Java. When counter is 1, it prints out also welcome to fun with Java. And then increase 1 to the counter. Now our counter is 2. Let's see, counter, if counter is equal to 2, continue. What does it mean? It means when counter is 2, it breaks out of this iteration. It won't execute this print statement, and directly it proceeds to the counter plus plus and continue the loop if condition is true. Now our condition, not our condition, now our counter is 3, so it will print another welcome to fun with Java. How about this? If counter is equals 4, break. It means when counter is 4, it breaks this loop, the whole loop. Alright, it won't proceed to the print statement or even counter plus plus. Alright, let's see another example. Alright, you try to guess what is the output for this. Plus plus and the curly braces. If I modulus 2 equals 1, continue. If I equals 8, oops, I equals 8, break. Then system dot out dot inline I. Try to guess what is the output. Alright, let's run. 0, 2, 4, 6. Why? Okay, let me explain. First, I is equal to 0. Then it checks if 0 modulus 2 equals 1. No, so it won't execute this continue statement. Then checks if I equals to 8. Since our I is 0, so false. It won't execute this break statement. Then you execute this print out I, where is 0. then I plus plus, increase I by 1. Now our I is 1. 1 modulus 2, 1. True. So we'll continue. You will execute the code below it and directly increase I plus 1. Increase I by 1. Now our I is 2. 2 modulus 2 equals 1. False. You won't execute this. Is 2 equals to 8? No, it won't break, so it will print out 2. Alright? And so on and so forth until our I is equal to 8. When our I is 8, we'll break. What does it mean? It won't execute this statement. It break the whole loop, right? That means it stop the for loop. What if I have a statement here? I print out done. Let's see the output. You see, done. 0, 2, 4, 6, and done. Why? Because it will run the for loop first, then only it will execute this done. Alright. Before we end this video, let's summarize what we have learned today. Alright, while loop will check the condition first before executing the loop body, whereas do while loop execute the loop body first before checking the condition. For loop, for loop statement consists of initial action, usually is the counter, and loop continuation condition, and also action after each iteration. Alright, and we separate them by semicolon. A break statement breaks out of a loop and continue break out of an iteration. Well, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned to our next video. See ya!